The electrode fibers are available as yardware and in pieces of 50 centimeters, as well as all other materials for the electrode manufacture. For the pulling process, the electrode fiber has to be cut into length. The fiber length should be approximately 350 millimeters in order to be fixed into the pulling equipment. For the preparation of the pulling process, you need an electrode tip puller with the bottle of inert gas that belongs to it. The electrode tip puller should be used to taper the quartz-platinum tungsten fiber at one place. The chamber will be flooded with nitrogen in order to evacuate the oxygen found in the chamber. This avoids burning of the heating filament. The filament voltage should be adjusted between 100 and 120 on the scale of the push button if you use a 3 mm heating filament. Prior to the insertion of the electrode fibers, the tungsten filament has to have blown out. For this purpose, the chamber will be flooded with nitrogen and the red button of the tip puller has to be pushed. At the insertion of the electrode fiber, it is particularly important to pay attention to the fiber that has to be inserted through the middle of the heating spiral. A decentralization will have a negative influence on the pulling process. At the bottom end, the fiber will be attached with the supplied crocodile clamp. There are different weights available in order to achieve different geometries of the tip. The higher the chosen weight, the longer the electrode fiber will be stretched. You should try to experiment with different weight values to gain some experience. At the top, the fiber will be inserted in the upper holding device and fixed with a drop of hot melt adhesive. The micrometric screw will be adjusted in a way that the weight is suspended freely from the fiber. The distance between weight and guide tube should be about 1 centimeter. During the pulling process, you should not look into the heating spiral in order to avoid damage of the eyes. The bottom end of the electrode fiber is the piece of fiber intended to further use or process.